I got residue stuck to my cup. What I'm sipping thick as fuck. I'm a chemist with the shit, I mix my hops into the blunts. I got Dennis putting platinum and some diamonds on my front. I'm in Texas still tipping off a four from last month. I let the top down in my hometown just to let them know it's us. I'm like Barack now, I'm the president of the squad, can't be touched. I know the block's loud with the keyboards, but in real life they sus. They said I'm rock now till we rock out with the Glocks out, let it bust. Ay!
Last night's orders. People are getting in on the last week of the giveaway. We got 4 days left. When you watch this episode, you'll have 1 day left, right? Saturday's the 29th. So yeah, Friday will be your last. When you watch this episode, it'll be your very last chance. You have till midnight actually on the 29th to win, to get entered. So.
In my old school, bumping that kiss alike, beneath the city lights. Caught up in the moment, getting misty guy. About to give my past life a long kiss goodnight. This dream difficult for me to visualize, but that was real when they said the limit is the sky. But my feet still on solid ground. No more stalling now. On the road to get it, cause when it rained it poured. But now the storm finally calming down. I'm in my cut that's driving, the sun is shining. My strain piece stutter with a ton of diamonds. I ain't got a bunch of money on the constant grind. Still a beast being blunted with my stomach growling. In the darkest alley, got the heart to fight. I see the stars are bright, they screaming Johnny Value. Rappers on the bite, me they crocodiling. I'll be up and even Marcus smiling. Try to walk a mile as I'm a J player Maybelline. You can say that you played in the major league. With my heart on my sleeve on the stage and leave. I feel wet from the sweat on my famous tee. I'm never scared for shaking like a Maple League. Cause what the ways for me is unknown. So I lit up my J from my kid up with straight crown raw. Now I'm in my zone.
I've got sunshine in my pocket. I'm just right here in my zone. I've got Sade in my tape deck. I'm just moving right along. All these haters really love me. They just pretend that they don't. Cause I've got sunshine in my pocket. I'm just right here in my zone.
This ain't no ordinary dog. I was sick of being poor and said the north. Right up 85 north in airports. Working breaking down doors and barriers. Still representing Georgia. I'm feeling the support. Spread the word cause the more the merrier. Nobody blowing off the torch I carry. I ignore them every time they point and stare at George. All because I got Jordans on. I got a gorgeous blonde and my jewelry blinds. I got stupid style. Getting paid on music now. I'm putting huge amounts inside a few accounts. I gotta cool this down in case you wanna come and duke it out. If I was you, I thought I'd do some bounce. So we just blew an ounce. My hotel room looking like a hookah lounge. I'm blowing up like a bazooka round. I got booed and bad, but stay positive. Even when I didn't ever pop the piss.
Listen, I got a new shed for the goats. There's a pig in there. We're gonna clean up their living space, and we are doing some sketchy shit to get it out the back of the truck. Good old Pro Tapers ain't never let us down. We got some shit going on here. New tractor putting in that work. The idea is to pull it out, get a wire spool underneath it, set it down, drive the truck out from underneath it. Dialed. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna go slow. Am I still underneath it? Just relax, wait till I stop. Don't let me... I know. Okay. Let me check it here. Ooh. We're getting close there. Let me take a thought gander here. No. Put the wire spool underneath it right now. I'll lower it and I'll get the bucket deeper underneath this piece of wood here. And then we'll be able to hook her up better. Sketchy business. Alright. Here we go. Melissa. Under that piece of wood?
Yes. Wait, you're stuck again.
let me fall off. Tell me when I get close to the edge of the tailgate.
Okay, you're close.
Is that spool in the middle, about middle now?
Yeah. You're about to come off of it. Okay.
Teeter-totter. Nancy business?
Yeah.
Mission accomplished. Sketchy, but it's done.
Yeah. I mean, we can't leave it like that though.
Why not? They ain't going nowhere. Like Wednesday afternoon, we should have everything, but I mean, like, fucking work all day. Work week is all week. We only got baggers had a breadcrumb wheel, and there's a hole in the pulley, and they brought it and fucking sat it.
I'm pretty sure that I like talked to her. I don't know.
Pretty fucked up.
But like, this was after I already left.
But it's because I can't really. Oh, is that where you're going from? Like, tire and.
Fuck.
I'll get you shit done tomorrow.
I can put the other ramp on and ride, and I ride them up, but I put both ramps up.
You're tripping. I'm not doing either one of those things. We're gonna push it. Maggie! What? We need help pushing, brother.
Yeah, pull up at the gates, yeah, I'm coming for your heads. I'm the motherfucker from the bottom of the depths. You will never see me coming, only feel the rumble till I hit you with the burner, then they pull you out the rubble. They know the story, they don't really know the plot. I'm just flipping through the pages, never know when to stop. Leave the ashes on the table, that's the only trace left. I ain't got no time to lose, so I can surely make a mess. Now breathe, everything's cool, don't worry about me. You do you, that's how it's gonna be. City after city, but the boy don't sleep. The traveler is weak, but he's never been weak.
They're not that bad. They're stiff, right? Every time. They're stiff.
You good? Back it up.
Center in. Me and Mike.
Thank you, Mike.
Me and Mike were hugging on that one.
Kind of.
You shouldn't even touch it. I don't even care. Whoever did this tire swap originally shouldn't be touching bikes. At Harley, they couldn't figure out that the fucking shit was leaking. That's where the fucking ripped bead was. Mr. fucking Harley Davidson said they couldn't figure it out. Fuck, that's bad. That'll leak there, pal. Looks like a fucking hemorrhoid, dude. I've seen them before. Damn, Harley really fricked this dude. Alright, so this. Hold on now, bub. That's a stiff ass. That's a stiff doggy right there, bro. Taking this Ram intake bullshit off and going to a SMB. Intake is fucking dusty in here, I know. Ranch life. Putting all this dope SMB shit on there. Who knows the fuck that is in there, but helps it breathe. Should get a little better fuel mileage, maybe a little bit more pickup on the pedal. That's for the wife. But maybe I'll eat some of those while I'm doing this, but I shouldn't, but I might. Ram life, brother. Teaching Dancy tools at an early age.
Knock a motherfucker down, slap him in the track, got the mask in the tone, bury bomb motherfuckers with a spike back. Hard line, left flat, mouse break, pump back. Bring it out, cause you on the wrong side of the track. I would demolish and leave you in puddles of blood. Enough of me motion, just over succumb. Hear me descending, I top tag a bitch as I leave you in crumbs. I went to high cause you'll never be safe. Commit to my word and the evil your face will take you down under where demons embrace. To leave you in terror and shake up your faith. Angels begin to fall, I hit them aligned cause bitch I'm the ruthless. Cry but there is no God, you scream out your prayers but bitch it is useless.
Alright everyone, so as you can tell, our buddy Chris Grism on Instagram, find him, check out his work. Finished the whole facelift of slab sides this week, so we got the neon slab sides in orange up top, one of our traditional OG logos that we like, and the winged wheel obviously, and a Just Ride symbol, just keep it nice and classy. But the front of the shop came out fucking sick. He also did the back of the shop, also came out badass. Check it out.
My tent way too damn dark. Laugh in your face like man dark. Came a long way from the bad days way back. Had to burn down that landmark. Seen some things I ain't really wanna see. It's all good, that's what made me me. Now who would I be if I had it easy? Used to break down, now I'm in a 350. Like whoa, I've been laying way too low. Had to switch up and change my flow. Cause I'm back from the block. Had to bust the rocks and dust off the dust and get back in the box. Now why you wanna talk? You don't walk the walk. So when I pull up, pop off in the parking lot. Just kidding, that's not me. I say mean things that I may not mean, but I may be seen in a black LP 610 120 on the dash, no cap. Cause I just made $1 million. I finally found my tempo when I'm back in the bag, and I bet you didn't get a memo. Never been a problem for me killing it, been a minute, but here we go again. I'll bring it back and go mental.
What up, everyone? We will be at the Sacramento Raceway on Saturday the 29th. We are going to be setting up a booth with Hostility Clothing. We're going to have all of our new gear out there, so if you want to get ahead of everyone on the website, get to Sacramento. We'll be there from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. selling merch. This is also the segment where I'm going to answer a question from last week's episode. The question is, how do you know if hustling and flipping stuff is for you? What qualities would a person need to be good at it? And is it easier to buy stuff you're not attached to and wanting in life? So that's like 5 fucking questions in one. But I guess I buy stuff that I would get attached to normally, because for me, I like to buy things that I wouldn't want to get stuck with, basically, or I wouldn't be mad about getting stuck with. So I buy Chevelles because I fucking like Chevelles. It is hard to sell them sometimes, but I have an end goal Chevelle that I want, and everyone that I bought in isn't what I would want to keep. But if I had to, I'd be not mad about it. Same thing with all the trucks and bikes. I like to buy stuff that I would want to buy and keep. That way I know I'm selling something that's good. I'm not burning anyone on what I'm selling them, and I get to have something cool for the time being before I sell it. And what qualities a person would need, fucking, you're gonna have to dig deep on yourself on that one, buddy, because I don't know. I would say being a hustler is probably just ingrained in my blood. I have no fucking idea how to answer that one. So I guess you would find out by starting and either winning or losing. And if you're doing nothing but losing, it's probably not for you. And I have lost quite a few times, and that's part of it. But if you just consistently buy things that are trash and shit, you don't know what you're buying, I would not recommend it. You have to really do your research, know what you're buying, and don't buy junk that you're gonna get stuck with or get, have a loss basically and not make money. So definitely buy things you like, that you have researched, that you know something about. You can't just get into this game and not know anything about what you're selling. So that's probably the first thing. That's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching the episode. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, get to hostilityinc.com, buy some gear. All this footage and all this day in and day out lifestyle that we live is all out of pocket. So we really rely on you guys to support the company, support the brand. You want to keep seeing cool shit that I'm doing, get on there, buy a shirt, a hat, a beanie, a sweatshirt, whatever it is, some stickers. Thank you guys very much. See you on the next episode.